everyone. Today we are going to be looking at something very interesting. So I opened my Twitter inbox this morning and I saw a message from a company called Octa. It turns out that this company is a decentralized cloud service provider. Well, like a GCP, Google Cloud Platform, powered on that a GCP that is decentralized, right? And what these people offer is they offer a lot of compute, and the whole thing is just decentralized and powered by blockchain. So how it works is pretty simple. So you rent GPUs for your models, and you can also run inference endpoints for popular models out here like DeepSeek, HunYuan, and all these small Chinese models too that do wonders. So let's just dive into how it works. So the name is Octa, and they are shaping the future of distributed computing by decentralization. Sweet. This is one of my first times seeing blockchain used to power something that is actually useful. So they give GPUs. You can also use it for rendering. You can use it for running models and many more stuff. So it's like a compute as a service platform, and it's P2P. So you can also run NVIDIA's CUDA and deploy your own models. So right here you click deploy. It takes you to the marketplace. If you're not authenticated, it will tell you to authenticate. Then to top up your balance, that's to get the credit. To get credits to rent GPUs, you go to this top up balance button and click it, and it generates a deposit wallet address for you to send to top up your account. So it uses a token called Octa. Okay, let me recreate my depositor. It uses a token called Octa, and 0.1 Octa. Okay, the minimum deposit is 0.1 Octa. So it's actually sweet. Now to start working with Octa, first on the marketplace you authenticate. If you're not authenticated, you have to get authenticated, and then you see a lot of application operating systems, models that are already created as templates for you to just integrate and start using. So I'm actually going to use HunYuan video model, and I'll use this template. When you click the application to use the template, you'll be taken to the marketplace where you see a lot of GPUs for hire, and it's P2P. So it's people like you and I that have GPUs to rent to others who don't have access to GPUs but want to run their models and serve them. So you can either check the price in USD or in Octa. So you can see it's actually very cheap. We have something less than 70. This is less than a cent. This is about this is $0.076 per hour. That's actually crazy for RTX 4060 Ti, and it has how many CPU cores? Okay, it's using Ryzen 9. That's crazy. And you can check the metrics. You can use AI score to check the metrics, even though I'm not sure how they calculate these metrics, but still I prefer using the hardware to check the metrics. So for something like HunYuan, what we are going to use is RTX. Okay, we are going to use something with about 4 cores. Yes, so yes, okay, RTX 4090. So we are going to use this to deploy this model, and it goes $5.250 per hour. Do I have up to that in my account? Okay, let me go for something more basic. Okay, this is 3 cents an hour. So you click the configure button, and in the background a section is created. So it's supposed to automatically take you there, but since it's not doing that, let's just go to sections, and you see that the section is about to start. Okay, it was a mistake somewhere. Okay, let me see, configure it. Good. So it takes us to the configuration, and then here you tell it how many gig you want to allocate. But for something like HunYuan, we need something like 100 gig. And okay, an app has not been selected, but let me get. Okay, so Here you can set the ports you want to be open. By default, port 80 and port 1000 is usually open, but you can also configure more ports, and you can also add commands. So what these applications are just templates for already running systems. Next up, you click deploy, and once you click deploy, the section starts running, but you have to wait for some seconds or sometimes minutes for the model to be downloaded into that environment. So we're going to fast forward it. So here we have our service fully running and the HunYuan model is deployed. So we are just going to test it out. There's already a prompt for the model and we are running it. So I'm going to fast forward it to when the prompt was finally completed, the video was finally generated. So our our video generation is completed, and this was what we generated. This goes to show how easy it has become to serve models and to run inference endpoints without burning so much cost. And with this decentralization, it makes it easier to make payments and the rest of it. And if you're in a country like Nigeria, you know how hard it is to make online payments, but this was very easy for me to run. And they don't just offer templates to models, they also offer templates to things like NVIDIA CUDA and Jupyter notebooks for you to do your experiments, just like you do in Google Colab, so you can fine tune models and the rest of it. You can even launch virtual machines of operating systems like Ubuntu and the rest of it. We even have OpenAI Whisper, Olama. You can run Olama, you can run Windows, you can run AudioCraft. AudioCraft is from Meta AI. Even they have a template for 2.1, Alibaba's groundbreaking video generation model. So guys, check it out. This is actually beautiful and it's cheap, so use it while it lasts. See you on the next one. The link will be in the comments. Peace.